Hello.
Hello. All right, here we are at the Courttown.
Courttown.
Courttown. We're
Take two?
Okay.
No, I was kidding. It's called Courtyard.
It's Courtyard, Midtown Chicago. And we feel very lucky because we flew all night. And
Myron's tired.
yeah, we're very tired. So maybe we get a little nap before we go outside. I don't know where the light is for this guy. Oh, here we go. So we got the bathroom with the shower and the normal accoutrements. And a closet. Closet looks like it's got an iron, hair dryer, ironing board, extra bedding. There's your full-length mirror. And then we've got TV desk area. Let's see what we've got under here. I think there's a fridge in here. I don't know if there's a microwave in this one. Cool, because I brought the popcorn. And a fridge. We're only here for one night. I think this was a points deal too. There's our bed with little side tables. And a couch, which I think pulls out if you wanted to. And then here's our view. Oh. So, and then, nice and high. So if you look down, it's little back alley deals going on over there. So, here you go. It's a Courtyard, Midtown Chicago.